Hello Bladers. Car sense is your first investment? Do you agree? Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. In this video we will help you choose the right car fresheners below 300 pesos. Let's dig in and find out. But first, we all know that everyone wants to have an appealing car ride and not experience any foul odor while driving. Here are some varieties offered by Blade Auto Center to keep your car ride smelling fresh all day. An air freshener can change the whole atmosphere of your vehicle. With the right scent, every ride can be a delight. Sometimes, picking the scent is not the problem, it's more about the kind of air freshener to choose. Here are some air fresheners which will take you on a smooth sailing ride. The Blade Underseat Car Air Freshener. You wouldn't want bad odor to pile up below your seats, right? Get the Blade Underseat Car Air Freshener new car for only 249 pesos and 75 cents. Feeling a little citrusy? Check out the Blade Organic Air Freshener Lemon priced at 149 pesos and 75 cents. There's also the Blade Gel Air Freshener Lemon at only 99 pesos. The Blade Jelly Gel Air Freshener Lemon lasts longer at only 199 pesos and 75 cents. Do you agree with our air fresheners? Or did we miss some of your favorite Blade scents? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.